Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm taking you step by step through creating an event registration form in WordPress for 2025. Whether you're planning a gala, workshop, or community fundraiser, by the end of this tutorial you'll have a powerful, customized registration form ready to collect attendee info, send confirmations, and streamline your event signups all from your own website. Let's dive right in. First things first, head to your WordPress dashboard. On the left menu, find WPForms, click on it, and then hit Add New. Right away, you'll want to give your new form a meaningful name. Something like Annual Gala Registration or whatever suits your event. Naming isn't just for organization, it makes your forms easy to find and manage later when you have several running at once. Now in the creation screen, look for the Additional Templates section. Here, you can search for Event Registration Form. WPForms offers various templates tailored with event-specific fields. So take a second to pick the one that feels closest to what you need. When you've found the winner, click Use Template. Templates save you a lot of time, giving you a solid starting point with all the essentials in place. With your template loaded, you'll see basic fields like name and email. These are fundamentals for any registration. But this is where you can make the form your own. On the left, you'll find the drag-and-drop builder. If you need extra details from attendees, such as their phone number or mailing address, just drag those fields from the sidebar into your form. Maybe you want to know how people found out about your event. Add a How Did You Hear About Us? Multiple choice field. Each field in the preview area is fully customizable. Just click on it to adjust its label, make it required or optional, and tweak the choices if it's a drop-down or radio button. Take your time to think about the info that's most helpful for your event. If you miss something, don't worry, you can come back to adjust anytime. When you're happy with your changes, click Save to lock them in. Next, let's configure a few important settings. Go back to the menu and head over to Settings, starting with the General options. Here, update the form name if needed. Add a brief description to help guide your users. And personalize the Submit button text so it matches your event's tone, maybe something upbeat like Reserve My Spot. You'll also find anti-spam options here, which can save you headaches down the road. Enabling these will help ensure only real registrations come through. Switch to the Notifications section. This is where you set up email alerts for new signups. You can have an email sent to you, your team, or anyone else who needs to stay updated as people register. WPForms also lets you automate a confirmation email to attendees using smart tags. It feels much more professional when your guests get an instant thank you or a note with event details. Now, on to confirmations. Think about the message you want users to see when they hit Submit. Is it a simple thank you? Or maybe you want to send registrants to a custom page with next steps or a downloadable event calendar. You can even redirect to a different website if needed. These confirmations help close the loop and reassure your attendees that their registration is complete. Once everything looks good here, give it another save. For the final step, let's get your form live. Go back to the WordPress dashboard and make a new page or post where you want the registration form to appear, maybe your main event page or a dedicated RSVP landing page. In the block editor, click the ++ icon to add a new block. Search for WPForms and select the block. In the dropdown, choose your shiny new event registration form. Hit Publish, and just like that, your form is live. You can now direct attendees right to your site to sign up hassle-free. And that's it, you've just built a professional event registration form in WordPress from scratch. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like. And if you have any questions or want advice about customizing your form, drop a comment below. Subscribe to the channel for more WordPress guides and walkthroughs. Good luck with your event, and thanks for watching.